Welcome to the Transparent FX Academy. I'm Nick and I'm a top author on TradingView with over 190k reputation points. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. This is the place to be for high quality free trading education. So without further ado, let's jump straight onto the charts. In this video, I will be speaking about GBPUSD. Now, as usual, to keep the video as educational as possible, first I will be covering the technical aspect for this market. Then we will be moving to the order flow by looking at the commitment of traders, so the COT data, which is what the non-commercials, so the biggest speculators in the market are doing, which are essentially hedge funds, so the big players in the market. And by the end of the video, by using a combination of these two different types of analysis, we will try to understand where we have the highest probabilities for the next potential move here for this pair. Now, starting here from the monthly time frame, what we can see is that we have a market which is currently testing a quite strong level of monthly historical structure. In fact, this zone was acting as previous resistance here, preceding all this move to the downside. Then the market broke above that resistance and that previous resistance became support here. Now the market has broken back below this support, which is again turned resistance, and the market is currently testing this level as resistance, from which there is definitely the possibility to see some short-term bearish price action being created away from this level, with the market respecting and reacting to this zone as resistance. Dropping down on the weekly time frame, what do we see? Well, from a weekly standpoint, we can notice that in creating this move to the upside, the market has also printed this W formation, precisely overextended W formation. Now, generally speaking, after the creation of an overextended W, what you would expect is for the market to create a reversal lower. Precisely, you would like to see the market complete the pattern at least with a correction to the 0.32 of the Fibonacci taken on the impulse leg. Now, in this case, to identify the impulse leg, we can easily go down on the daily time frame, and what we can see is that we just had this massive impulse to the upside, where the low is here and the high is here. Now, if we want to measure this correction, what we have to do is take our Fibonacci from the low to the high of the impulse leg, which clearly gives us a 0.32 correction exactly at this area, that if we extend it to the left, we can see how it is also previous daily resistance from which these two moves to the downside were created, which is now turned support at this level. So since we have both this previous structure resistance turned support and the Fibonacci levels both lining up exactly in this area of price, this is actually confluence of support. So there is definitely the possibility for the market to be attracted to this area to test what kind of liquidity we have inside of this zone. Now, if we go and see what we have when it comes to the commitment of traders, so the COT data, which is what the non-commercials, so the biggest speculators in the market are doing, so essentially hedge funds, so the big players in the market, and we check the data precisely for the pound, we can see how with the last reports net positions have been decreased. We went from plus 59.1k net positions all the way down to now having a negative net positioning of minus 20.3k net positions. So institutions clearly are moving to the bearish side of the pound, meaning to the bearish side of GBPUSD, because all currencies on the spot are traded against the USD. So if you're checking the data for the GBP, you're actually already checking GBPUSD. So essentially what this means is that institutions are moving to the bearish side of GBPUSD by decreasing their net positions. So essentially what they're doing is increasing their shorts and decreasing their longs. We can see in fact how we went from 36.2k shorts here from an institutional perspective all the way up to 84k shorts. And now if we look at the longs, we can see how we went from 98k to now 63k longs from an institutional perspective. So clearly the institutional positioning has been moving to the bearish side of GBPUSD. Now, combine this with the fact that on the weekly we have that W formation and on the monthly we have that resistance that we have previously identified. This means that we definitely have the possibility for a potential reversal lower, for the market to go and correct and complete that pattern at this level. So essentially the confluence of support that we have previously identified. So there is definitely a possibility for this correction lower. So how we could be approaching this potential move lower? Now, as usual, trading is reactive and not predictive. The monthly, weekly, and daily combined with the COT data, those are the best time frames from a directional perspective. However, when it comes to confirmations and entries, the best time frames are the intraday time frames, so 4 hour and lower. Therefore, what we could be doing is monitoring price action from an intraday perspective during this move to the upside, waiting for the market to potentially shift from an intraday bullish market to an intraday bearish market. And if the market would shift from an intraday bullish to bearish market and provide to us one of our valid entries, at that point we could be looking for a potential move lower for the market to retrace at least to the 0.32 of the Fibonacci taken on this daily impulse leg, therefore reaching that confluence of support area that we have previously identified. Now, if you don't know what I'm speaking about when I say valid entries and these kind of things, you want to learn more, I really suggest that you go and check out the transparentfxtrading.com website. Here, you have the possibility to gain access to my entire courses with all the rules of the strategies. You also have the possibility to gain access to one-on-one private mentoring, the web market breakdowns and Telegram signals, the CO2 data software, which is precisely the one that we used in this analysis, the trading station software, which puts together everything that you need as a trader all in one interface. And if you continue to scroll down here past the testimonials, you will see that you have the possibility to gain automatically access with the email and password that you will create during the checkout here on the website. So I really suggest to go and check it out as soon as possible. The link is both in description and also in my bio, and I will see you in it. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to drop a like. Also, if you have any suggestions on any topics or pairs that you would like me to cover in the next videos, make sure to drop them in the comments below, and I will see you in my next video.